trouble with your mobile phone. With Mobipik, you don't need to visit a service center ever again. If you are a senior citizen who cannot stand in the long queues, or if you are new in the town and don't know where the service center is, or if your work is more important than wasting time at the service center, then you need a Mobipik subscription for all your mobile-related problems. Mobipik is India's first mobile pickup and repair service. We give you service from authorized service center, fast and reliable services, 7 pickup tickets in a year, and a free backup phone. So, subscribe today. Visit mobipik.com and sign up with your device by providing your full information.
So how does it work?
Soon after you report a problem, our service executive will reach you, take your damaged mobile and give you a backup phone. On same day, we take the mobile to the service center, get it repaired, and return it back to you. So now, Mobipik is here to help you and save your valuable time.